Hey, my name is Andi Bühler. This is the drum code Swing 1, before the swing. So actually we're not playing swing today, we're just looking how the independents work this with a swing pattern. So swing pattern, you all know that. When you get started with that, I know everybody wants to play all this independent stuff with the snare and the bass drum. That's fine. I know we want to go. We're going to get there. But first, today in this workshop, we're not actually playing the actual swing pattern. We're just playing the main source. We're playing the quarter notes, only the quarter notes. So we keep playing the groove all the time, steady, without any changing. Just so when you play with a bass player or with a band, you have these quarter notes really tight and really fixed, and this is really something you can rely on as a bass player. So we are playing quarter notes on the right cymbal, and we're adding the hi-hat on 2 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Play these quarter notes really open. Let the stick bounce. And use the whole space of this movement. Even if you do it really slow. It sounds different. And it feels different. It's a regular motion like this. For example, only for the sound, if you're not playing it open. Open. All right. So now we're practicing all the independence bass drum and snare drum in a really easy way to get started. Black spot, snare, white spot, bass drum. And it's all quarter notes, so we're always playing together with the right cymbal. Example number 1 of the 16 combination is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. With the before the swing pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4. It sounds easy. Good. If it's easy for you, then just concentrate on the sound of the cymbal, that it's still open, all the stick bounces, and everything feels good and sounds good. All right. Let's hear the first 5 lines of the 16 combinations. I guess I can play it a bit faster. It's easy to follow. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and if you want to have a bit more structure with a break in between, just play one line and then only 2 bars with a swing pattern, before the swing pattern. Here it's like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That was wrong. Okay, you get it. Important, the hi-hat is on 2 and 4 all the time. Make it make the sound big of the hi-hat. Therefore, the hi-hat has to be open, right? I mean, I see people playing the hi-hat like this. There's no sound like it. You won't play it, won't play your sticks like this. Only if you want to have it really, really piano, right? But you want to have all possibilities. So for this, big hi-hat. 1, 2, 3, 4, about. Just a little improvisation. Always try to improvise after you practiced. Then you see how far you got. All right. So, second part of the reading book, we go to the 3-spot section. And we're not playing a normal swing pattern and not a normal before the swing pattern. We're playing a swing waltz before the swing waltz. So, normal swing waltz would be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So, and if we're playing before the swing waltz, it's only the quarter notes. Okay, here's the challenge of keeping the hi-hat on the 2 and the 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Keep that going all the time. I'm playing you the first 5 lines of the 8 combinations with the break in between. So we are playing boom da da. No, da boom boom da boom boom da boom boom da boom boom. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So this one really can give you a headache. You might spend more time with that waltz stuff than with the other before the swing and the 4/4. Take your time. I mean, before playing the waltz swing and before playing a normal swing, it's really good to make this exercise. Or let's say it like this. I mean, you probably all played swing and swing waltz till now. Try to get this exercise working, and you'll get real tight and real grooving with the with the waltz and the swing stuff. So, all right, see you soon. Have fun with it, and see you with a swing 2, where we actually play swing and swing waltz. All right, bye.